Warning. This message may sever your ties to false euphoria. Side effects include withdrawal from validation-based identity, nervous system sanctification, and a sudden allergic reaction to hype with no holiness. Proceed. Only if you're ready to feel joy that does not evaporate. This ain't a buzz. It's a baptism. So let's get this out the way quick and early. You are not broken. You're just high on the wrong thing. You're chasing spikes from borrowed stories. You're on a drip IV of somebody else's dream. And the worst part, you think because it feels good, it must be right. What if the feeling was the setup? What if the motivation was the drug? What if the high was holy, but they laced it with illusion? Let me be clear. This system, the DoYouRules system, it ain't anti-dopamine. It's anti-dirty dopamine. We don't reject the high. We sanctify it. We purify it. We remember the original design. Here's what it comes down to. God didn't build you to crave discipline. He built you to enjoy obedience. But they hooked you and booked you and sold you counterfeit commandments. And you call this self-help. Wake up, grind harder, manifest faster, meditate more. Fake peace until your nervous system collapses. That ain't joy. That's a drug. And it's why your breakthroughs feel like withdrawals. Here's what I know you out there doing. You keep asking, how do I stay consistent? Wrong question. Try asking this instead. What high have I normalized that breaks me in silence? You're not lazy. You're oversensitized. Your chemistry ain't fatigued. It is fractured. You have trained your brain to chase stimulus instead of sovereignty. You want to know what a clean high feels like? I got you. Waking up because you said you would. Praying not to feel better, not to be saved, but to feel aligned. Executing without needing to announce it. Finishing the task and not craving applause. Resting because it is sacred, not because you burned out. That is clean. That is holy. And most importantly, that is sustainable. And let's keep keeping it raw and keeping it real for a little while longer. You ever noticed the best hits, they come in silence? That divine hit after deep execution, that holy goosebump when you said no and actually meant it. That dopamine dose, that doesn't spike, it sanctifies. That's what we're after. No crash, no craving, just covenant. There's something else you may not have realized. You were never addicted to dopamine. You were addicted to being distracted from purpose. You were high on escape, high on loops, high on potential with no precision. So what's the switch? Clean highs only. You feel the hits, but it is holy. You earn the buzz, but it builds you. You don't crash, you consecrate. You want the formula? Bet. Shoot. Wake up, worship, execute. Not because it's a productivity hack, but because it keeps you present. You ritualize what used to ruin you. You sanctify what used to sedate you. You become the source. Because God never needed a middleman. I'll tell you what I'm about. I don't chase hype. I chase holiness. I don't borrow joy. I build it. I don't settle for emotional crack. I execute on clean covenant. I am the altar. I am the supplier. I am the high. Clean highs only. Covenant chemistry. Sacred reward. You either get holy with your habits or get hijacked by the hustle. You either run the system or the system runs you. Change your mind, change your life. I am who I say I am. Do you and stay rich.